Hey, it's Tom Zeeb with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in this quick video, I'm going to explain to you a bet I have with my son and see if I can rise to the challenge. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. I'll explain everything. So I have a bet going with my older boy, Tommy. That's him there in red. That's Dominic in blue. And my bet is that can I make videos about random places and tie them into real estate investing? Can you really tie it into your business? So we are at the Devil's Tower in Wyoming, which is a pretty awesome, cool thing. I mean, take a look at that behind me. That thing is massively tall and high. And one of the challenges is, can I tie this into business? And so here goes. Let's see how I do. All right, Tommy, pay attention. Here's the lesson for today. Devil's Tower, at one time, as high as that is, and that is massively high, probably doesn't show that well in the video. The earth used to be up as high as the top of that. This was a plug, a volcanic plug. So it blocked lava flow coming up to the surface when the surface used to be up at the top. Then over, I don't know, gazillions of years, the ground around it wore away. But since that ground was harder, built better and stronger, it wore away. And now the land is down to, well, where we are today. Okay. But at one point it was up there. And so I'm thinking about this in terms of your business. If everything got worn away, if the economy tanks, if everything turns around, I mean, heck, that could happen, right? Things could go haywire, things could go a little bit wonky. Would your business still stay? And as I'm thinking about it, another theme to one of my videos was, do you have transferable skills? One of the things that'll make you last longer than everything else around you is having transferable skills, is to actually think about what are the skills that you're building in your business now that you can use no matter what happens in business, no matter what happens in the economy, no matter what happens in your life. Will you be left standing like the rock that makes up Devil's Tower, or do you get eroded away by the wind and the rain and the rivers and time and effort, right? Everything that occurs that wears things away in our lives and our business. So what do you want to be like? Do you want to build the skills, the transferable skills, specifically the marketing and the negotiation and a legal contracts understanding? Those skills, even if the overall real estate business were to change, or the economy were to tank, or the things were to go haywire, those skills will stay with you at all times, no matter what, and you will survive just like this segment of rock did while everything else got washed away or crushed. Take a look at all of the rocks around us. Right, Dom? So it's good. That's my tip for the day. And I think the challenge was met. Tommy, did I manage to turn that into a good video? No. Oh, all right. You get no credit. You get no credit from your own family. All right, it's Tom Zeeb from Devil's Tower in Wyoming, signing off. So you sure you don't like that video?
No.